Welcome to Tech Machine, where we craft high-quality, delicious snack meats made for every occasion. From sourcing the finest cuts to delivering bold flavors, we've got it all covered. At Tech Machine, our journey begins with the freshest ingredients. We handpick the best cuts of meat, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. Our meat is carefully seasoned with our signature blend of spices, creating flavors you won't find anywhere else. From classic smoky jerky to spicy sausages, we have something for every taste. Every snack meat goes through rigorous quality checks, ensuring you receive only the best. Fresh sealed for long-lasting taste and ready to enjoy anytime, anywhere. Our snack meats are perfect for any occasion, whether you're on the go, enjoying a game day, or sharing with friends. Join the flavor revolution with Tech Machine. You ready? Order online today or find us in stores. Tech Machine, crafted with passion, delivered with flavor. Snake meat has been consumed for centuries in various parts of the world, particularly in Asia and Africa, where it's prized for its nutritional value and believed to offer numerous health benefits. But in recent years, snake meat is gaining attention in the global market as a sustainable source of protein. At this farm, snakes are bred in controlled environments. Species like pythons and cobras are raised not only for their skins, often used in fashion, but also for their meat, which is high in protein and low in fat. Our snakes are raised in an optimal environment, ensuring that they grow quickly and healthily. We feed them a sustainable diet, often composed of agricultural byproducts, which helps minimize waste. Once the snakes reach the desired size, they are humanely harvested and processed in a sterile facility. Safety and hygiene are of utmost importance to ensure the meat is fit for consumption. Snake farming has a lower environmental impact compared to traditional livestock. Snakes require less feed and water, and they produce less waste. In addition, snakes are efficient at converting feed into body mass, making them a viable solution in regions facing food scarcity. Snake meat is not just an exotic dish, it's becoming a culinary trend in restaurants around the world. From soups to stir fries, snake meat is praised for its tender texture and mild flavor. Upon arrival at the facility, horses are received and carefully inspected by trained veterinarians. Each animal's health and condition are assessed to ensure they meet strict standards for quality and safety. We conduct thorough checks to ensure that the horses are healthy and free from any illnesses or conditions that could affect the meat. Only animals that pass this stage move forward in the process. Once passed, the horses are moved into the stunning area. In compliance with humane slaughtering regulations, the animals are stunned to ensure they are unconscious before the slaughter process. After stunning, the horses are humanely slaughtered and the carcasses are moved to the butchering area where they are skinned and gutted. This step is crucial in preparing the meat for further processing. Next, the carcasses are divided into primal cuts and then further processed based on customer requirements. Special attention is given to trimming fat and removing bones to produce high-quality horse meat. After trimming, the meat is packaged in clean, sterile environments to prevent contamination. Each package is labeled with information regarding the source, weight, and expiration date of the product. Before the meat is distributed, it goes through rigorous quality control checks. Samples are tested to ensure they meet microbiological and safety standards. Once cleared, the products are dispatched to retailers, restaurants, and other customers. Sustainability. The factory also processes byproducts such as bones, hides, and offal. These materials are sent for use in pet food, leather goods, and other industries, minimizing waste. At every step of the process, this factory prioritizes animal welfare, food safety, and environmental responsibility. The result is high-quality horse meat that meets the highest standards of the industry.